Hello, Namaste. This is Saudamini. I am studying in 7th standard. I am 12 years old. Today I am going to discuss you about in technique 2 typical individual letters about letter F in cursive and non-cursive and smalls and capital letters. Before going to discuss today's topic, a few minutes I am going to discuss about before class topic about letter E. How to write letter E and how to form letter E and what are the diseases can be increased and decreased by writing letter E. Always letter E also we should write from upwards to downwards only. For capital letter E and non-cursive we should keep 3 lines in correct order and first line must be, if first line will be in 1 inch, second line must be in half inch and again third line must be in first inch. First and second must be small and second line must be half of the first and third line. This is very important. By writing like this correctly, you can avoid elbow pains and wrist pains. Okay. And writing cursive letter capital E, you should and by writing non-cursive letter capital E, you should get forward E fish-like structure. By this, you can avoid backbone pains. Okay. To see more exclusively and to know more exclusively, see my previous class about letter E. So, coming to today's discussion, letter F. What is letter F? How to write letter F? Letter F also is an artistic letter. Okay, we will have most artistically by writing letter F only. Okay, see. Writing small letter F in cursives. Starting line, base line must be very straight. From base line to keep very straight, and from here you should give a small knot like this. Small like knot like this structure and straight line till lower line. F is the first letter to touch the lower part. It will come in the lower part category first because E we will not touch, B we will not touch. In lower line touching category, F is the first letter. So write carefully, and from here you should give some V-like structure, curved V and U-like structured very artistically, and from here also you should give another fish-like structure, fish-like structured oval shape, sleeping oval shape, and ending line must be half of the middle part. This is small letter F. And writing cursive letter capital F, it is very artistic, and who are artists, please see carefully. First from top line means upper line to you should keep a small circle like structure, this oval structure, and you should give like water waves. How water waves will be for this fish and for this water. See, there is so much different here, fish and water like structure and straight line, and from coming to down you should write like this. Okay, from here you should keep somewhat minute curve which can be C and non. అదేంటంటే కనిపించినట్టు చాలా సన్నగా మైన్యూట్గా పెట్టాలి. ఇప్పుడు మధ్యలో ఎఫ్ అంటే మధ్యలో మనకి లైన్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఆ లైన్ ఇట్లా లైన్ వీ షుడ్ కీప్ స్ట్రైట్లీ a minus symbol or sleeping line symbol. If you want to write very artistic fully, see another type of I am showing like this only, here like this, very artistic fully, and here you can keep a water wave like structure. Water wave like structured you can keep in the middle of here. This is cursive letter capital F, small f and artistic full F. First of all, F only artistic. If you want to write more artistic in greeting cards or anything, you can follow like this. By following F like this, you can avoid laziness. Some members will have laziness and they will always వాళ్ళేంటంటే అందరితో ఎప్పుడు తిట్టించుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. వై ఆర్ యూ బీయింగ్ సో లేజీ, యూ కెన్ బి యాక్టివ్. By writing F like this and practicing daily, they can become more active. Okay, this is F. And in non-cursive F, how to write small letter non-cursive F? See, from first onwards A to E, we wrote all small letters from upwards to downwards. This is the first letter from downwards to upwards. In the downwards to upwards category, this is the first letter. See, this must be from downwards to upwards only. From upwards to downwards, never you should write. See, from down you should keep like this. For umbrella, we will have for catching some like handle like this. You should bring like this and up. You should give some yarn-like structured curve, and here in middle line, top line, you should keep a small hyphen type or minus type line, sleeping line, and this. And in coming to non-cursive capital F, how to write? But this from upwards to downwards. Non-cursive small from downwards to upwards, and upwards to downwards in capital. Capital compulsory you should write from upwards to downwards. See, straight line from upwards to downwards, and you should keep one line, 1 inch line, and second line must be half inch. This also same like E method. First line, upper line must be how much you will write, and down line must be half of the upper line. Okay, this is the F. By writing F, you can avoid laziness. And you can avoid laziness, and you can become more active by practicing this daily. Okay, today in this class we discussed about technique 2 letter F. So in next class we are going to discuss about letter G in technique 2. To see my further classes and lessons, please subscribe us and follow us.